Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Drawing Man. We'll begin by establishing the foundational structure of the male figure. Think about using simple geometric shapes like ovals for the head and torso and cylinders for the limbs. This initial framework helps you capture the dynamic pose and overall balance before adding intricate details. Remember, a strong foundation is key to a compelling drawing. Now, let's delve into the specific proportions and anatomical landmarks of the male figure. The shoulders are often broader than the hips, creating a distinct V-shape. Focus on understanding the major muscle groups and how they attach to the bones. This knowledge allows you to render a more realistic and powerful physique, giving your drawing depth and credibility. With the basic structure in place, it's time to refine the details and bring your drawing to life. Start by smoothing out your lines and adding subtle muscle definition. Consider how light falls on the figure, creating areas of shadow and highlight that define the three-dimensional form. Experiment with different line weights to add visual interest and guide the viewer's eye across your artwork. Finally, let's explore shading to add depth and realism to your male figure drawing. Begin with lighter tones and gradually build up darker values to create a full range of contrast. Pay attention to the direction of light and how it casts shadows. A well-shaded drawing can transform a flat image into a dynamic and lifelike representation, completing your artistic vision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.